In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Google form into your Google Calendar. This skill can be quite handy if you often organize events and want to gather responses or feedback efficiently. So let's get started. First up, we'll be navigating to Google Calendar. Open your web browser and head to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, do so with your Google account credentials. Google Calendar is a robust tool that's fantastic for organizing your schedule, setting up reminders, and, importantly for today, creating events with added details. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll want to locate the date and time slot you wish to create or edit an event. Simply click on either the existing event you want to work with or click the plus sign to add a new event. This access will allow you to add all the necessary details and seamlessly integrate additional features like the Google form we're about to link. Now that you're in the event details, focus your attention on the form title. This step is crucial as it's the first indication of what your attendees will see. Click on the given field and type in a clear and descriptive title. Ensure that it's concise but informative enough to stand out for the invitees. Next, you'll want to provide a detailed description of the event. Click on the description area. Here you can lay out essential information such as the event agenda, special instructions, or anything else attendees should know. This is also the place where you can include the URL link to your Google form. By doing so, you're giving all invitees direct access to the form, ensuring they have all they need right there in the event invitation. Proceed by typing in the form's URL within the description box. Make sure to double check that this URL is correct to avoid sending your invitees to the wrong form or a broken link. A neat tip is to use a URL shortener if the link is excessively long or complex, although it's usually not necessary with Google Forms. Once all your details are in place, it's time to ensure everything is saved. Look for the Save button at the top or bottom of the Event Details window and give it a click. Saving your event ensures all changes and additions are recorded and everything is good to go for your attendees. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Google form to your Google Calendar event. With this integration, you can now collect RSVP responses, feedback, or any other necessary information directly through your event invite. Remember to check back on your form responses ahead of your event to stay organized and informed. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.